Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get SoundCloud Go on PC. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, and if you have any problem or anything within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away and just follow me. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just go to any web browser and just type soundcloud.com and just go to the website of it, and you'll be over here on this particular platform. So from here, what you need to do is just go to up bar with this black bar. Over here you'll be finding this three dots. Just go with it, and a bit down you'll be having option which will say subscription. Just go with it. And then over here you'll be having these options. So if you're a student, you're gonna get SoundCloud Go Plus for 50% off. Let's just go with a normal one. Just go try Next Pro, and then go with the Get Started option from here. And over here do the billings and everything. So you can choose yearly billings or monthly billings, and you can add the payment method with the card or the PayPal, and just buy the subscription. And that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.